and faculty members and dear students, we are all here to see a technical event which will get recorded obviously into Limca Book of Record. I am saying obviously because we have done all the testings and we have ensured that yes, what we have proposed as an event to be recorded in Limca Books is there as a setup. I will just give sir 5 minutes of the background. This entire setup, we call it as a prototype of a township, and we are saying that it's a smart township because every home inside this has got an embedded system inside it, and because it is a controller based thing, it has got certain intelligence inside it. So what we have done is that every house with an embedded system with an RF connectivity is being presented in front of you as an entire township. So the students, what they have understood is that if a concept of a microcontroller is applied to a controller, it is always limited to a smart home. But if we try to provide it a radio frequency connection, then it can be represented at a township level. And that's where we have been, teaching them that how to work at township level and convert a smart home into as a part of a smart township basically. So what we will be demonstrating at a technical level is that when we press the button of a mobile phone, it's just a simple 70 millivolt signal which we call it as a DTMF tone, which most of the students know that they use to recharge their mobile phones also, or for some purpose they use those buttons. So with that 70 millivolt signal from anywhere in the world, how can they control 500 AC appliances with an overall load of 5 kilowatts, and what exactly is the complete flow? That is what was our aim, to make the complete flow clear for them. And when it comes to individual homes, yes, there is a smartness which is available, that every individual home has got a unique ID. So that mobile phone can actually control one of the home. It can control, this township is divided into 4 sectors. So that mobile phone can control one sector of the township, or we have even the facility of controlling the entire township with a single mobile phone. So that's how it is being divided. In the whole process, which we use as a RFID card, and this RFID card, which is also responsible for wireless electricity transfer because it's a passive card, is actually taken data from respected Vice Chancellor sir, then it is represented as a serial communication to the transmitter side, then communicated to the entire township, and the entire township had understood that sir has inaugurated, and the best part to start with something is with the start of praying the God. So it has started with a mix-up of technology and tradition from our side, sir. So now to take this ahead, we will be showcasing a lot of demonstrations which are combinations of wireless communication basically based on mobile, internet and some local frequencies, sir. Okay. Next stage, we have 3 gates in this township, and there is a street light system also. So this complete gate system on the township, here we call it as the main gate of the township. We have another gate on this side of the township, and we have one more gate on that side of the township. So now one of my colleagues, he will control this complete 3 gates wirelessly, just to show that these gates are also under the control of wireless communication. So the gate itself and the street light itself is a wireless connectivity, and the gate is controlled by servo motors basically. So Arnab, can you please demonstrate us? So now the street lights of the township will be switched off. Please don't switch off the lights, switch on the lights. So now the street lights are also on basically. And now, can you close the gate and switch off the street lights? We need that SD projector to be showcasing this on the screen, please.
हाँ
आप उसको कनेक्ट कर दीजिए.
हाँ चालू हो गया.
In the next case, we have robots in this township, and they are controlled by mobile phones. The robots have autonomous paths and they are operated by batteries. But the robots
ऑडिटोरियम में आओ यार, फंक्शन चल रहा है।
to help people to move around at a prototype level, but they are also under the control of any mobile phone in the world basically. So now we will be demonstrating the robots movement in the entire township. Prasad, can we have the connectivity? Yeah. We need lights on the stage. Dear students, please observe the robots which will move autonomously. We need that camera on the LCD projector. Who are witnessing this, I would request them to try to listen to what is happening behind the scenes so that we can bring it up for the rest of the audience also at a certain stage. So at present there are 100 plus homes which are created by the students, and then we added the embedded board to that. So now to start with, we have 3 of the students sitting at Oklahoma State University, and by using internet, we'll be actually controlling the entire township. They will be controlling through Skype. Okay. I want you to talk to the students and the dignitaries from your side, please.
Hello, India.
He's asking, hello, India. Please respond.
Very good morning to everyone of you. I'm Ramesh Shah from Oklahoma State University, and I was on this project before coming to the United States. And I'm really glad that I'm part of it. By just sitting in my lab I have two friends with me here.
अंदर आ जाना ऑडिटोरियम में।
I have Andrew.
Yeah, we can go ahead, Bhavik. So now Bhavik will be controlling this entire township through the Skype connection. We know that in Skype we have a dial keypad, and we have done the testing yesterday night. So he will be controlling this entire township from sitting there in Oklahoma State University. So Bhavik, can we start? Yeah. They have to start with a star. Just a moment. Now please press star. 1, 7, 8, 7, 8, hash. Now please press 1. Press 2. Press 3. Press 4. 5. 6. And now press 9. Please press star. Again press star. Yeah. Thank you all 3 of you. I hope you had fun controlling the entire township sitting there from Oklahoma. Thanks a lot. Topic, I will get back to you. Right from Oklahoma with a Skype connection basically. So what we want to showcase is that when it comes to an entire township, there is a possibility of creating communication from across the world, right? Now to take it ahead, we have some robotic taxis in this entire township, and they are also under the control of a mobile phone. So I have my friend
जी सर
and colleague Mr. Prasad Raspaile, who will be activating all these robots with this mobile phone.
डीवीडी में
So you can observe the robots which will start moving in the entire township autonomously. Prasad, please start that.
है सर ये स्टैंड तो नहीं है सर ये हाथ में लिए हैं हाँ डीवीडी सर कहाँ आ गया सर